Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to do a triple crochet or treble crochet, depending on who you ask. They're synonymous. Now this right here is 3 rows of the triple crochet. This is 3 rows of double crochet, 3 rows of half double crochet, and 3 rows of single crochet. So you can see what a difference the different stitches make. And they're all just 10 stitches long. So let me go ahead and get that out of the way. And I am going to show you how to do this. This one is nice because it goes really fast, but it does leave a little bit bigger gaps. The first part that you do to prepare for it is you go ahead and you do your number of chains. In this case, I did 10 chains, and then I did 3 additional turning chains. You have to do that, otherwise it'll bulk up pretty bad. It'll bunch up in that area. So kind of like the double crochet, you want to twist the yarn around your hook and then twist it a second time. So now you have 1, 2, and 3 loops on your hook. And then you're going to skip those 3 first chains and go in the 4th one. You want to yarn over and pull through. So now if you look, you have 4 loops on your hook. So then you yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more, yarn over, pull through 2 more. So it's just kind of 1 extra step from the double crochet. So go ahead and twist 2 around, go through your base chain, yarn over, pull through 2 once and twice and 3 times. Yarn over twice, go in the chain, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. You'll notice that every time that you're pulling through, it is creating another loop. So while there were 4 before, now you're down to 3. And where there's 3, now you're down to 2, even though you're subtracting 2 each time, because you're subtracting 2 and adding 1, essentially. So yarn over twice. I'm going to continue to just kind of do the rest of this slowly for you so you can work with me, so you can get a good idea. So yarn over twice, go through the base chain, yarn over, and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. The best thing I think you can do anytime you're learning a new stitch is just do a lot of them. A blanket, a scarf, washcloths, all are good ideas. Anything that can get you doing it over and over again so that you get that muscle memory and really get a good handle for it. Okay, so we are almost done. And the last one. Okay, so now I'm down to the end of my chain. So if I wanted to turn and do the next row, what I would need to do is do 3 chains here for the turn. And then I would turn my piece and yarn over twice. And then I would go in that first stitch, skipping those 3 chains. So that first stitch, when you're doing the chains, of course, you're doing just the one side. But when you're doing it in a stitch, you're going to go underneath that V. Grab your yarn and just do it all over again. So again, yarn over twice, under the stitch, yarn over, pull through, once, twice, and 3 times. So that is about all there is to that. If you have any questions, go ahead and send us a message.